Hello, welcome to a video. We're doing a Uber Eats take every order that makes sense challenge. They're giving us an add-on. We got one already for $13 for, how much was it? We decided on mine to just go ahead and do a
challenge ourselves.
Challenge ourselves to accept every order that makes sense. You know, we're looking for these big orders and they're not coming, so we're just gonna see if we can get our acceptance rate up. Acceptance rate for Uber Eats is at like
4%.
huh?
4%, right?
Was it? Really? 4%? Jesus. Oh, I gotta see that. Oh, it's 5% now.
Okay, now it's a 5% what?
Wow, 5%. We got two orders. First one is for $13.50 for 5.8 miles, and the other one's $4.64 for 1.3 miles extra.
What happened?
A man said 15 minutes.
Okay, so we go get the other?
15-minute wait. So in the meantime, we will be picking up the next order instead. It says the next one is walking distance. Okay. Next pickup, walking distance. Okay, so just found out the other stop is in the same exact place. My stomach is rumbling, y'all. All I ate was noodles this morning. Ramen noodles.
Somebody doesn't know anything about fasting, apparently.
Oh, this fasting is wow.
Let me tell you guys something.
Help me.
This man used to
I'm hungry.
He used to go like hours without eating when I met him.
That's true, though.
And then all of a sudden, like, here I am.
I'm a fat boy now. My stomach just went like Texas size, since I moved here. It's now Texas size stomach, so I need to get Texas size foods in my tummy now. Right? That's what it is. That's what happened.
He came with a Texas size stomach because
wow.
Because when for his birthday, when he came the first time, I took him out to eat. He devoured the food. It was like he'd never seen food before.
I kept on eating left and right. Oh my God. Let me go check on my order to see if it's done. All right. Picked up those two orders. They were legit in the same spot, so now we're heading to drop them off, baby. Drop that off. Heading to the next spot, 4 minutes away. Pizza. Right, just finished delivering that. Oh, hopefully we get another one. Uber Eats, baby. I'm gonna get $12 for 12 miles. Obviously, that's a no.
Oh, he changed his mind.
Listen, I said makes sense, right? That don't make sense. That don't make sense, Nana. Okay. All right, just got another order for Uber Eats. It is $19.46 for 4.7 miles, 2 customers, 2 places. I believe it's the same food truck. Got a third stacked order, $4.59 for 0 miles, supposedly. Hopefully they're here. 10 minutes for all of them. 10-minute wait for $24 for this beautiful order right here. Not bad at all. I like it.
How much is a million pennies in dollars?
$10,000. On the website study.com, they say, so you now know that $G equals $10,000, or that $1 million pennies equals $10,000.
Okay.
Call your cousin and tell Steve to let your uncle know that there is $10,000 in the penny vault.
Oh,
to find out more, look for the link in your Google Home or Google Assistant app.
What?
Wow. I need to save my pennies. Just checked on it again. It's been 10 minutes, but it's still not ready. Yeah, it's 3 orders. It's another reason why I don't like taking stack orders, because it's like we gotta keep waiting for each one of them. But none of them are ready. Not even one of them. So yeah, at least it's here. That's the good thing about it. It's not, it didn't go anywhere.
Walk away.
And grab legs and leave. So just finished picking up all 3 orders finally. All right, and then we're good, baby. Let's do it. Let's get our hell out of here. We are on our way to drop this baby off. Can't wait, because it smells so good and I'm so hungry. All right, just dropped that one off. Heading to the next location. I think they're all around the same section, to be quite honest. Left that door. Have a great night. Always like to leave that type of message. All right, just dropped the last order off. Pretty fast, pretty decent. They were all next to each other. That's how we like it, baby. Yeah. Got another one for $17.06 for 2 customers, 11 miles. Let's do it. All right, picked up that pizza. Now we're on our way to 7-Eleven. Yeah, it's a margarita pizza. Okay. Okay, it's closed. I thought these places were 24 hours. Closed. Oh, there's someone in there sleeping. Tap it on this door. Gummy bears and peach rings. I know they got that. Yeah, Lucas. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Have a good night. All right, finished picking up that order. Had to wake up a sleeping 7-Eleven employee. It's all good. It's all good. I know everybody gets tired. But yeah, we're heading to drop this one off. It was interesting ordeal here. Let's do it. Hey,
Hi.
how you doing?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great night.
Anytime.
Anytime. Just dropped that one off. Getting another order that doesn't make sense, so we're not doing it. I told you guys, we're only doing orders that make sense, okay? None of that. All right, guys, we are ending the night. All right, we did a Amazon Flex in the morning. It was $110.50. Put that right there. We did $24 in DoorDash. Put it right there. So far, we have $50.97 as recording this video on Uber Eats, but I will put the exact amount here. So far, we made $185.47. Pretty good, because we hardly did anything today. A lot of dead time today. Depending on how much we made from that last customer, which was supposed to be a $17 order, we only got paid $8 so far from Uber Eats. It might be $200, not sure. Let's can't wait to see it. What you say? I know, right? Always messing with him. Sorry, guys.